today, we are going to transform this 24-volt bike headlight into a 4.2-volt device. This episode is brought to you by PCBWay, my trusted quality PCB manufacturer for project making. This is a 24-volt bike headlight, and today we are going to power it up using a 4.2-volt battery. Let's start with the things that you will need. You'll need a 24-volt bike headlight, a battery charger module, 3 pieces of LED lights, 3 pieces of 6.2 ohm 1 watt resistors, and lastly, the star of the show, which is the 18650 battery. Let's start by opening the bike headlight and removing all the unnecessary components inside. Next, we are going to paint it to make it look nicer using a black spray paint. While we wait for the paint to dry, we will work with the LEDs. We will remove the old PCB from the protective glass and then place the LEDs inside the protective glass. We will secure them in place using adhesive. After that, it's time to put the 6.2 ohm resistor in each LED. And I will use a solid wire to connect all the positive and negative polarities of the LEDs. Now that the paint is already dry, it's time to put all the components inside. We'll start with the LEDs, followed by the battery charger module. We will make a hole in the case of the bike headlight to provide a way for the Type-C charger to plug into the charger module. Next, we will solder the positive and negative sides of the 18650 battery to the charger module. To prevent short circuits, I covered both ends of the 18650 battery with electrical tape. Next, it's time to put it into the case of the bike headlights. I use adhesive to hold the charger module in place. After that, I close it using screws. Now, as you can see, after I plug the Type-C charger, the red LED turns on. Once the battery is fully charged, the blue LED of the charger module will turn on. And that's how you transform the 24-volt bike headlight into a 4.2-volt device. And as always, keep learning and have fun. Bye!